book, the Archimedes CODEX. I will spend a few minutes with this. The authors are Reviel Nedge is a professor at Stanford of archaeology and mathematics, the ancient mathematics. So, what is this? This was a prayer book, a Christian prayer book. Somebody saw in Constantinople, today's Istanbul, 1000 AD. But he noticed that under the Christian prayers, there was something else written in ancient Greek. That book disappeared from Istanbul, today's name. Then it was seen in a monastery in Lebanon. Then it disappeared from Lebanon. Then it was found in the possession of a French family who actually sold it in an auction in New York about 16 or so years ago, anonymously, to an American. He bought it, he gave it to a museum in Baltimore. And the funds to analyze it with three-dimensional imaging to see what is written under the Christian prayers. And under the Christian prayers is one of Archimedes' original works. Under a prayer to the dead, there is the definition of science, exactly the definition we use today. And then proving that he was the inventor of integral calculus, that he established probability, because he was studying how many particles of sand are there in the universe. And he was a phenomenal engineer, incredible engineer. And his mathematics was incredibly sophisticated for the time. So we have now modern proofs of these things, because when the ancient Greek world was destroyed, how would people write? What they did is they took ancient Greek texts, which were using vellum, animal skin, which was invented in Pergamum, today's Bodrum in Turkey, and they erased the ancient texts and wrote Christian prayers. If the writing was this way, they erased it and they wrote the vertical way. Fortunately, we found this, just like the mechanism. Hopefully, we'll find a lot more evidence of the sophistication of that society. And remember,